Tired of slow development cycles and high costs? Traditional app development is a long, slow, and complicated process and requires deep technical expertise. Planning, coding, testing, again and again. It takes months, burns through teams, and costs a fortune. Now imagine this instead. FAB Builder, your shortcut to faster, smarter development. No code? No problem. FAB Builder turns your ideas into working applications in just days, not months. Here's what makes it better. Faster development. Build applications in a fraction of the time. Lower costs. Save money by cutting out traditional dev overhead. Fewer hours. Say goodbye to 500+ dev hours for simple apps. Quick launch. Move from idea to market in record time. FAB Builder isn't just a tool. It's a complete platform that lets businesses focus on growth, not grunt work. Whether you're launching your first MVP or scaling enterprise software, FAB Builder helps you deliver faster, spend less, and outpace competitors. Time is money. Don't waste it coding from scratch. Join the companies already building better faster with FAB Builder.
To contact us, please visit our website, email us, or call us.